major legal troubles for mega retailer Wal-Mart. A massive gender discrimination case that it's been fighting for years is one step closer to going to trial, and the result could be historic. CBS News correspondent Jeff Glor is here this morning with the details. Good morning, Jeff.
Maggie, good morning to you. It is the biggest employment discrimination lawsuit in the nation's history. And the suit these women filed could potentially mean an award in the billions of dollars.
Did you know about 75% of Walmart's store management team started as hourly associates? Because at Walmart, we're about more than just jobs, we're about careers.
But according to a lawsuit filed against Walmart, that promise doesn't always extend to women. On Monday, a federal appeals court ruled that a class action lawsuit against the retail giant can proceed to trial. The suit, filed in 2001 by 6 former employees on behalf of hundreds of thousands of women, argues the company is guilty of gender discrimination.
I've seen a lot of good women get promoted over. I've seen a lot of really bad men get promoted.
Walmart employs more than 1.4 million people at 803 stores across the U.S. It also keeps exhaustive records, which were used by the plaintiffs to bolster their case.
And those records show that although women are 2/3 of the employees at Walmart, they only hold 1/3 of the managerial jobs.
The company said in a statement, "We do not believe the claims alleged by the 6 individuals who brought this suit are representative of the experience of our female associates. Walmart is an excellent place for women to work and fosters female leadership." While attorneys for the women say they still face an uphill fight, Monday's decision was a victory for them.
This case will demonstrate that it doesn't matter how big you are, you still have to follow the law.
The appeals court was sharply divided 6-5, and Walmart says it will appeal. It could come before the Supreme Court by the fall, but this case is already going on for 9 years, Maggie, so don't be surprised if it drags on even longer.
What's especially startling about this is the high dollar amounts that have been tossed around. How is it that the awards could be in the billions of dollars?
Huge numbers. What's still in dispute is how many women are actually covered. Walmart says under 500,000, and the plaintiffs say more than 1 million. Regardless, you're talking about 9 years potentially of back wages for all of these women, which is why hundreds of thousands of employees, you can get numbers going into the billions of dollars.
All right, Jeff Glor. Thank you, Jeff.
Okay.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.